Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to fix battery draining too fast on Windows 10 or 11. So on Windows, while we use our PC, our battery gets drained too much because of the power consumption. So Windows are getting updated day by day, but Windows hasn't made any changes or haven't been giving any light on this issue. So there are some ways we can just minimize this problem that so that we can just use our battery draining battery properly. So let's head over to the fixes we can follow. The first one you can try is troubleshooting your PC. So how to do that? Just search in here and search for troubleshooter or troubleshoot settings. You can find also it in system settings. So head over to troubleshoot settings. In here, you'll find this option. So go to additional troubleshooters. On your Windows 11, you can find these troubleshooters in here. So scroll down and find your battery or your power section. And in here, just from the troubleshooter on in Windows 11, you will get this option like a bar in here, and there will be an option of run. So all you need to do is just to click on the run, and your troubleshooter will run. So this is the first one. The second one is power efficiency. You can change the power efficiency. So what we need to do is just to search for a power plan and just change the advanced power settings. And here you can just go to your processor power management. And from here you can just change the minimum processor rate and the maximum processor rate state. So once you have done some changes, minimizes it and tap on apply and click on OK so that the changes get saved. And you can also make some changes in here by turn off the battery display from 10 minutes to 5 minutes. So once it is blocked, it is 15 minutes to change. So, and once it is done, cancel it and check here if your problem is solved. So the third one is you can just change your high performance battery plan to balanced power plan, because you can change because we are now just thinking of our battery rather than our performance. So make sure you change it to balanced or recommended. So this might solve your problem. If it doesn't, on Windows 11, you might get a battery saver option. So turn on the battery saver from your settings. So once it is done, your problem might get solved. If it is also persisting, you might have issue with your display. Display gets a lot of battery drainage. So what we need to do is the first thing is to turn off or lower the brightness of our display. So here, search in here, search for the brightness level. Here you will find change brightness level. You can also navigate it from system settings. Let me just head over to it again. Change brightness level. So in here you can see the brightness, change brightness for built-in display. So you can also turn on the night light and change the display brightness. I'm just currently keeping it to 25 or 28. So turn it, close it, and this may solve the problem. And if you're using a graphics card, or you can just custom your graphics section from your settings option. So yeah, these are the fixes you can follow to solve your problem. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.